Kani gade ka pati CCTV, bat Pdiang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi. Ka Vilco Secondary School henekas ngi khat pratrik ujemang kala Pdiang Burom ya I Heprit Larisha Lyngdoh Nonglait ibalawan ra ya ka nam ka Burom shaka school lengba ka jingyo khur ya ka takmak siar ha ka lempung ya kai 3rd Sub Junior National Courage Championship 2018-2019 kabalalong Haraj Kamal Saraswati Vidya Mandir kabadon Hanongba Dhanbat jong ka Jilla Jharkhand. Kumban syukudau hang ni na Pdiang prangut ki Heprit ki badang hapok khat ars nem karta ki bala le yeshimenta hagani ka lempung ya lempat bala penlong da ka Jharkhand Courage Association da ka jingye trailang bat ka Courage Association of India ka bala yo ru ya ka jing itu na ka Courage Confederation of Asia and International Courage Association dai I Heprit Larisha Lyngdoh Nonglait I bala yo khur ya ka takmak siar hagani ka jingye khun kat ba ki weipat kila sya remno tang ha ka kala ya khun jong ka final. Hakajing Pdiang Burom ya I Heprit Larisha layadon lang uba Rocky Hek ubalong urangba dong kasnong pentorum kra ubala ais ngobha da kasong pisa bat kuntup ya ikimi jong I Heprit Larisha ikong Sharailin Lyngdoh Nonglait ikong Vilma Lengkhoi principal ka school Vilco Secondary School uba balampang S Kharkongor ubalong coach jong ka kunhon yelek kai ikong Fiona Nongbet ibalong ka team manager jong ka kunhon kinong hikai bat ki khna jong ka ni ka school.
So we are great and so happy that we came to know yesterday through telephonic. Teacher, Miss Veronica, she has invited me. We are always know that some of our locality will reside in our locality got a first position in the Courage. This is the high time for all of you students that we have seen some element things going on in the state. This is the first encouragement what Larisha did. We should not end only in the Quran. We should promote ourselves as working president have told that we should be a self-defense. If we know martial arts, nobody can touch us. This is a lesson what working president have to. There is nothing much to say, only right from my heart, I encourage all the students of Vilco School that you should learn martial arts. Only with this word, thank you. And there is some token from my side which I want to give to Larisha. Larisha, please. A small token